Hi there everyone, today we're in Greensboro, North Carolina, checking out Round 1 Bowling and Arcade, one of the biggest spots in town for games, food, and family fun. And honestly, we came here today for a very special reason. They have got the new Godzilla Kaiju Drop cone pusher machine, and we have been dying to see it in action. But before we test our luck against the king of monsters, we're going to take you on a full tour of everything Round 1 has to offer. We'll start with the massive claw machine zone right at the entrance, then head into the arcade game floor where things gets loud and high energy. After that, we'll slow things down in the pool hall, hitting the bowling lanes, and even check out the private karaoke room. And of course, no trip will be complete without grabbing a little bite at the food court before we finish with our main event, the Godzilla Kaiju Cone Pusher. So stick around because today's adventure is packed with lights, game, food, and a little bit of monster-sized fun. Hi there everyone, welcome to the Vilu show. I'm Vince and it's time for another Friday Funday Adventure. Right when you step into Round 1 in Greensboro, the first thing that hits you is the claw machine zone, and it's massive. We're not talking about a couple of prize claws tucked in the corner. This is row and rows of machines with plushie, anime figures, and even premium electronics. Some machines are set up for big wins, like giant stuffed animals the size of a beanbag chair, while others focus on smaller collectibles like keychains and minifigures. What makes Round 1 different is a lot of these prices are direct imports from Japan. You will see characters from anime series you won't usually find in the US arcades. They also set different challenge style. Some claws are about picking up, other about nudging and balancing prices into the chute. It feels more like a game of strategy than pure luck, which keep you coming back for more. If you enjoyed the video and want to support the channel, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when the next adventure drops. Now that we have tested our luck with the claws, let's turn up the energy because the arcade floor is just where things really comes alive. Past the claw, you hit the arcade floor, and this is where Round 1 really flexes. There is everything from racing simulator with full driver seats, to rhythm games with blowing pad, to classic shooter with oversized guns. Many of these are Japanese import you don't normally see outside Asia. The floor is loud, colorful, and buzzing with energy. You swipe your Round 1 card to play, no token needed, and the machine are kept in great shape. Whether you are chasing high scores, racking up tickets, or just playing for fun, the variety here make it easy to spend hours without realizing time has passed. If you enjoyed the video and want to support the channel, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when the next adventure drops. After all that noise and flashing lights, let's slow it down for a bit. Time to chalk up and check out the pool hall. If flashing lights and pounding music get to be too much, round 1 gives you a breather with their pool hall. It's a quiet section lined with full-size tables, dimmer lighting, and a more laid-back vibe. You can rent a table by the hour, have a drink, and just relax with friends while shooting a few games. This area feels like your own hangout inside the arcade. Perfect if part of your group want non-stop games while others just want to chill. It adds a balance of whole experience that make round 1 feel like more than just an arcade. It's really a full entertainment center. Alright, enough chilling. Let's roll into the next activity. Literally, it's bowling time. Bowling is another big draw here. Round 1 runs a full bowling center with polished lanes, neon lights, and upbeat music, giving it a Cosmo bowling vibe. The scoring is all digital with big displays overhead, and you can order food and drink straight to your lane. It's not the super competitive bowling alley you might picture. This one is more about casual fun. Whether you are striking out or hitting turkeys, the atmosphere keeps everyone laughing and cheering. It's a great option for parties, birthdays, or just adding some variety to your arcade day. Once you have knocked down some pins, why not knock out a few songs? Let's head over to the karaoke room. One of the hidden gems at round 1 are the private karaoke room. You rent them by the hour, and each room comes with comfy seating, microphone, and a giant screen loaded with songs. And it's not just English, they have J-pop, K-pop, and even Vietnamese hit, which makes it feel international and fun for all kind of groups. The best part is privacy. You don't have to sing in front of strangers. It's just you and your friends, or laugh at each other off-key moments without worrying about the crowd. It's the perfect side activity to mix in between games. Wow, what a day at round 1 here in Greensboro. From claw machines to arcade games to pool, bowling, karaoke, food, and finally the Godzilla Kaiju Drop. This place has something for everyone. If you enjoy hanging out with us today, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when the next Friday Funday Adventure drop. That's all folks, until next time, see ya.